Don't let a minor leak turn into major damage. We can fix it. Whether you need to repair a small area or have the whole roof replaced, we have the experience and the expertise. Let us help you make the best decision for your budget before it's too late.
Carl's Home Improvement.